because it's always crazy. But today I'm doing a closet clean out thing, like room clean thing again. But I'm not going to be making my bed because, yeah, I don't really want to. So we're in my room right now. And I took all of like the posters that were on my wall. I had a little bicycle right there, posters right there, and then a hook right there, and then a picture right there. But I still have those baby picture things, and a couple of other things to do. So yeah. So I'm gonna be going through my clothes and seeing things that I would wear in 3 weeks or wouldn't wear in 3 weeks. So like, wait, things that I wouldn't have to wear, I wouldn't wear in 3 weeks. So I'm gonna be going through my clothing, and then obviously I'm going to be donating stuff. So I have, let me show you what I have. I have this laundry basket, and I do have to put it, so I'm gonna do that. But then I have this bag which is full of dog hair. Go us. And we're gonna put this in the, wait, no. Okay, wait. I think what I should do is put stuff that I'm going to donate here. So let's go back in my closet, and I don't really remember when I did this last, but I did it before. I've done it before. And I've already cleaned out all of my drawers and stuff, so I don't need to do that. So let's go over to the closet. It would be so great if I could go downstairs and grab a tripod. We're upstairs, put you on my tripod now. Wait, hold on. Yeah, totally wanted to see that. Okay. Hold on. Is that too low? Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Let's move you back. Totally good. And then we'll put the light back in my closet, where it belongs. Okay. These are shoes. My new shoes. Do you want to see them? They're really nice. They're Adidas. They're really nice. And they're sports. So I've been keeping them in there. And I have to use them. Because why not? Okay. So this is my closet and stuff. So things that I could donate. Okay, I'll just start with my sweatshirts. Now they're all kind of like packed in there. So I'll take them down. So we've got this one, which I'm gonna donate because it doesn't fit me. I wore it in my like video where it was like 11 o'clock. I don't know. This one I'm going to donate. It doesn't fit me, and if it did, it's very uncomfortable. So those are 2 in the donate pile. Hold on. We need to take these off. So ones that are being donated, I'll take the hangers off of them. Okay, there we go. And gonna keep going through some sweatshirts and stuff. So, I go. Go on to shirts now. So now that we have all of this stuff figured out, I forgot a shirt. Everything is cleaned out of my closet except for stuff up there, which is like camp shirts and old softball shirts. And then back there, which, yeah, you don't want to see that. Because I'm going to have my mom go through that with me. Because it's nothing that I think we're going to keep. But I just want to make sure I'm not doing anything that I'm not supposed to be. Okay, so I just tripped. Okay. So we're gonna move on to swimsuits. Don't mind all of this, it's just clutter, okay? And so sorry, your plant is dying. Okay, so this is my swimsuit drawer. Okay, wait, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, yeah. So basically, sure. Do you guys know? Yeah, well, yeah. So that drawer is completely empty. So now we're moving on to pants. Okay, wait. So we got this. Now, let's check this out. So like those. But I'm gonna keep going now. As we completely cleared out the whole entire thing, and we have a pile of what we're keeping. So this is what we're keeping, and this can all go in the bag because I'm not going to be wearing these in the next 3 weeks because it's going to be absolutely sweating. Ow. Yeah. Right, we have all of them empty. We just gotta put, yeah, no, sorry. Don't know what I just said. Now we have to put stuff that I'm not gonna wear in 3 weeks into a bag, and all of the donate stuff somewhere. So everything that was on my bed, I'm not gonna show you my shirt because it says where I live. So yeah. Then, oh, my phone also died. This is the state we're in. That's my dress, and swimsuits that I don't know if I can donate. So I'm gonna put that like outside. That is the sweatshirt I was wearing before, but it's okay. Then this is everything I need to put back. Yeah, it's gonna be quite a little challenge because spider. It's hanging off a web. Okay, I just found out. Sorry, my hand's like in the way. I just found out that I have things over here. This is mostly Jackson's. There's a couple things, so I think this is mine. And then, oh, that's also mine. And yeah, that's it. Okay, sounds good. So let's go back. This is PJs, so I'm gonna wear them. So that's good. Guys, I put a different shirt on because I wanted to stand up like this and I didn't feel like putting my sweatshirt back on because it's really hot in here. I do have the fan on though. And yeah, that spider is still there. So we're gonna put my hair in a bun. Okay, and start working on this. So my phone is at 30%. That's not very good. So I guess we're starting over here. Because I have nowhere else to start. Hold on. Wait there. Hold on. Don't move, guys. Don't move. Okay, I'm just grabbing my tripod. Okay, there we go. Okay, wait. Okay, we got that to work. And then I'm just gonna throw a couple of things on the bed and go through that and put it in the drawers. So let me move my little pillow. So that's a sweatshirt. This is off camera. Peace. By the way, we've got like a couple things left. So, yeah. See the progress. So, don't mind anything else except for the stuff that I did today. So this looks absolutely amazing. I only have like, how many shirts? But I do have shirts that need to go in the laundry and some that are in the laundry. So yeah, and then these are all the hangers. I don't know why I put them like that, but yeah. And then my new shoes, the romper, and then obviously the little light, and then all of my sweatshirts. And honestly, I have so many. Yeah, and I'm really proud of this. I love it. So if we move over here, now this drawer is my PJ drawer. Oh. Okay, looks so much better. This is just a drawer full of my jeans and cardigan. And then shorts. I didn't really pay much attention because, yeah. And then pants. There's only 2 in there. And then some suits. So I'm really proud how it turned out, and I'm really happy because I'm cleaner now, and I know that I have things packed already. So